The Kitchen Minis collection from PanAmerican Seed Company has an amazing assortment of sweet peppers, hot peppers, tomatoes, and I am thrilled to tell you about our new addition to the Kitchen Minis collection. This is Quick Snack Cucumber, a cucumber that can actually be grown and harvested on a sunny windowsill or a countertop. The other great thing about Quick Snack is that from seed to finish is only 4 weeks. 1 seed in here, 4 weeks. The ideal time to sell these at retail is when they're small fruit forming and the vine reaches the top of the trellis. This is a great addition to our Kitchen Minis line. Remember, no garden, no problem.